Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to block people on Snapchat. To start this tutorial, open your Snapchat application. Once you're here, you're going to tap on the two human icons on the bottom right. Just tap on it. Once you're here, you will see all your friends. Now, pick the one that you want to block on Snapchat. In here, tap on their profile name or their username. In here, tap on the three dots on the upper right. And then in here, you will see a Manage Friendship option. Just tap on it. In here, there is an option to block. So if you don't really want to see this friend of yours anymore on Snapchat, just tap on block. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.